In high school, I had a unique opportunity not to sit in class and just watch the pain of my peers, but to speak into their lives. I was part of Breakdown for 3 years in St. Louis. We reached over 30,000 souls. On the team, I was poured into, loved, and encouraged. I was empowered that as young people, we can do hard things and not just sit down, but stand up. After Breakdown, I went to college, continued to do ministry, business, and dance. That year, God said, let's go to the next level. I want to teach you leadership. After a series of inspirational events, I went to Uprise to learn leadership and ministry from dozens of speakers from across the nation. Within 2 weeks of entering the program, God told me, you've become prideful, you've allowed business to become your identity instead of me. So you need to give up that dream for a year, otherwise it will destroy you. I knew I needed to get on my hands and knees and be humble so that I could grow in intimacy with God. I had no idea what that would look like though. It wasn't until one of our last speakers at Uprise, Chad Furlong, he talked about a program he was starting called 12. Its main focus was intimacy with God. A month before college started, God called me to be one of the 12 students. We've reached over 100,000 teens this year, seen hundreds of lives saved, and I have grown in intimacy with God like I never have before. Isaiah 61:1 says, the Spirit of the Lord God has sent me to preach good tidings to the poor, to heal the brokenhearted, to proclaim liberty to the captives and the opening of the prison to those who are bound. We just got back from a trip to Canada, South Dakota, and Montana. Barriers were broken, souls were added to the kingdom, and when we went to a juvenile correctional facility last week in the prison had no power over the love Jesus Christ gave. The foundation of Breakdown has changed my life and continues to change so many others. To every leader, volunteer, and supporter, I want to say thank you.